Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to test a new fragrance for BeScented, and if you see, my hard oils got really cold. I was working in my soap shed and I just kind of didn't turn the heat up enough, and so literally instantly my hard oils that were in a melter, once they kind of sat and they weren't heated up, they got really cold really quickly. So this is a whole new meaning to soaping at room temperature. It was probably about 45-50 degrees in there. I kind of wasn't that cold because I had a coat on, but I just assumed that the oils would be fine. So anyway, lesson learned. I just had to make a couple real quick test batch videos, so I thought I would be fine. But as you can see, my batter got pretty thick, and it's got nothing to do with the fragrance oil or the batter. It's just that cold. We got a bunch of snow the other day here in the DC area, so it's probably, I think we got 6-7 inches, so it's still pretty cold outside. But anyway, the fragrance I'm testing right now is Grapefruit Bellini, and the official description is pineapple, jasmine, grapefruit with a little bit of peach nectar and mango with a touch of musk. It smells fantastic. I think not only is this going to be a great fragrance for soap and bath bombs, but I think candles are going to be fantastic in this. And one of BeScented's wholesale big customers does primarily wholesale, and so she had already gotten this sample and she had tested it, so BeScented went ahead and got it, and I'm just doing the video because she doesn't necessarily do videos, so I just wanted to do the video for everyone just to show you guys how it performs. Now that being said, this was not my best batch of soap ever made. This was the last of 4 or 5 test batches that I made this day, and I think it was just with the fragrance getting a little bit cooler, or not with the fragrance, with my batter kind of thickening up pretty well, and I was tired. I just kind of said, you know what, let me just get it in the mold and we'll go from there. But the great news is this fragrance smells fantastic. It didn't rise, it didn't accelerate. We already knew that from the initial testing that had been done on this fragrance, so it's all good. So I went ahead and just mixed in some, I was trying to figure out what to do with grapefruit, and I was just too tired to be creative, so I just wanted to kind of get this one in the mold. I'm definitely going to do a bigger batch of this and plan it out a little bit better. But I just mixed some orange in. I was going to do a swirl, and it just kind of just didn't go well. So I'm sure we've all kind of had those days, but I was tired, it was cold, batter was thickening up, just wasn't ready for it. So anyway, I just kind of thought, let me just throw this on top, this orange color, and we'll see what we get. But anyway, the soap turned out fine. It smells fantastic. It's just not kind of as pretty as it normally should be or would be. But anyway, fragrance smells fantastic. I can't say that enough. I love the original BeScented. I think it's pink grapefruit. That one's really nice. This one is it's just got a couple different notes to it. It's a little bit more grapefruity. It's a little bit more citrusy, I guess, is what I would call it. I think it's definitely the pineapple and the jasmine that give this a little bit, give it some more notes to it, other than just a straight grapefruit. So anyway, I'm going to just kind of keep pouring this in, getting my soap to set up, and then as you can even see on the spoon, it's like super thick. And I definitely, for those of you who watch my videos, normally I do not do super thick batter. I like it more of a thinner trace. So anyway, let me get this set up and I'll bring you guys back for the cut. Alright, and we're back for the cut. This is about 24 hours later. I did stick it in the oven. I did CPOP it, which means cold process oven process. Nothing fancy at all with this soap, but it smells fantastic. So the good news is that it doesn't rise, it doesn't accelerate, and it definitely held up through the saponification process. Smells fantastic. So I'm definitely going to get this one in a bigger bottle, do some soy candles with this. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I will see you on the next video, and have a great day.